Here is a clean, concise YouTube script for Hero HF Deluxe following your format. Introduction, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, where we bring you honest and concise reviews of popular bikes. Today, we take a closer look at one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the Hero HF Deluxe. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe carries a simple yet durable design meant for daily commuting. Its slim body, sleek graphics, and comfortable seating make it practical for city rides. The build quality is solid, giving riders confidence on rough roads and long-term use. Engine and performance. Powering the HF Deluxe is a 97.2 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine known for reliability and excellent mileage. The ride feels smooth at low and mid-range speeds, making it perfect for traffic and short-distance travel. Its fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages, appealing to budget-conscious riders. Comfort and handling. The lightweight frame and well-balanced ergonomics ensure easy handling, even for new riders. The suspension setup offers enough comfort for daily bumps, while the seat height is ideal for most riders. It's a bike designed to make everyday commuting effortless. Features and technology. Hero offers useful features like i3S start-stop technology, alloy wheels, multiple color options, and a clear analog console. These features enhance practicality without complicating the riding experience. Mileage and maintenance. With real-world mileage typically ranging between 65 to 70 kmpl, the HF Deluxe stands out as one of the most economical bikes in its class. Maintenance is affordable, and Hero's service network ensures easy access to support anywhere. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is a dependable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance commuter motorcycle. If you're looking for a budget-friendly bike for everyday use, this is a strong and trustworthy choice.